So in this video, we're going to learn that label encoding and map function. So as in the previous video, we learned that one hot and dummy encoding. So now how we can overcome that creating multiple column. So for this one, we can use that label encoder or we can use map function. So first I imported label encoder from sklearn library and the other numpy and pandas. So now here again I created that same dataset. So temperature with that unique values. So now I'm using that label encounter. So label encounter I put for tape.label encounter from where we imported from scikit-learn. So now we can see that it's already created only one now column is created for this one, and whatever name we have given, I mapped it this one. So what it's did, it's assigned some of those value unique number for all of these columns. So for cold 0, hot 1. So what it's basically use some of that logic or relationship. It's by default it will create label encoder. So it's created with 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0 for cold, 1 for hot, 2 for very hot and 3 for warm. So we will go in later point sometime details how it's working and what are their advantages. So as of now we understand that it's going to create that one new column and assign some of that value based on their assumptions. So now map function also, in map function only difference is there, we can map each of those value by ourselves. So now here I pass that mm, mm, column name dot map and I am using key value pair as we know this one in Python. So for cold 0, hot 1, very hot 2 and warm 3. Same thing I assigned it here. And we see that there is no difference in map and label encounter as of now. So now to understand that difference in label encoding and map function, what I will do, I just imported one data set and I display that data set here. So now basically this is loan prediction data set. So in this one now I put that label encoder as we did for the last time. So here now what it's give for graduate it's assigned 0 and for the not graduate it's assigned 1. But if we see in basically for not graduate we need for 0 and graduate we need 1. If we're doing some assignment or just like good very good, so few of these things that level encounter can take care from themselves whatever they understand that, but not necessary that it's always going to assign that correct one. That's why we need that map. So in map, we can assign not graduate to 0 and graduate to 1. Since we understand that how it's going to work, so we can do correctly. We can do that mapping correctly, or else maybe some of that in real time we will face that issue. It's not, we will get that best answer if that assignment is not correct, because it since it's numeric value, it will take some sequence and it's try to find some relation. So we have to take care of those. So we can use map function also to overcome this problem, and then we can assign that correct one. So here I put that label encounter. There is no relation or order between this class, but algorithm might consider them as some order. So there is some relationship as well. So we can overcome that so that algorithm do not create any relationship or understand that is there any order or something. So we can overcome this by using map function. So I hope you understand this one. That's all for this. Thank you.